Welcome back to Predis. Denique alongside your host, Cruddy. Now remember to keep watching Predis because you can win a date with this lovely lady here. Not just any time of the year. Valentine's Day.
Just one person, one guy. It's not you, Cruddy. It's not you.
Conspiracy here. Bet at the end of the day, when you say Cruddy will walk out in this date as a champion. Bet you. Oh, Curly wouldn't allow that still. But since we are here at Tracks and Records, let's go into the kitchen with Chef Walter Payne. Chef will be whipping up two wicked dishes. We have the sear snapper and we have the chicken supreme.
I'm hungry.
So I'm going to go visit the kitchen then. Walter, we'll roll.
My name is Walter Pinnock, and I'll be preparing for you guys today our famous sear snapper and our famous chicken supreme. First dish that I'm preparing will be their chicken supreme. As you can see, sauteing the seasoning. To bring the flavors out, I'll be adding the coconut milk to this one. I'll be letting this simmer for about a minute. This is what our finished product will look like. We went ahead, we add our chicken tenders to this. We also allow the chicken tenders to kind of simmer into the mango sauce. Here we have our sear snapper. We had to the roasted corn salsa, and now we're letting it simmer, we're letting it steam down into the corn salsa.
I'm falling in love all over again. How could I ever doubt that you were my friend?
All right, guys. Pepsi has a huge Christmas promotion going on. I'm a Pepsi girl. I love Pepsi. No shame. I'm sorry. I don't afraid to say it. Are you a Pepsi guy?
You know, I like Pepsi.
He's retarded.
I like the
I've been a Pepsi girl all my life, and we have Carla Hollingsworth here to tell us all about Pepsi's huge Christmas promotion. So listen up and stay tuned.
So we're here with Carla Hollingsworth, brand manager of the Big Bad Pepsi, which everybody loves. Carla, how are you?
I'm good, Cruddy. How are you?
I'm fine, Carla. Merry Cashmas. Tell me about this whole promotion.
First of all, it's our Christmas promotion for Pepsi Cola Jamaica. It's Merry Cashmas, as I said, and it's very simple. All you have to do is buy $1,000 or more on any Pepsi product at participating locations like big supermarkets, and you get back $200 coupon from that supermarket. So just to go again, you spend $1,000 on any Pepsi product and you get a $200 coupon. So our Pepsi products are like Pepsi, Ting, Ocean Spray Juices, Tropicana, Gatorade, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, D&G flavors, etc. And we give you back a $200 coupon from that location. So we have locations like Mega Mart, all the Hilo food stores, all the Shoppers Fair, La Chusan, Lee's food stores, General food stores,
All over the island.
major supermarkets, island-wide. And for more information, you can just go to our Facebook page as Pepsi Jamaica or Ting Jamaica, and you get more information if you want to. All right, so I'm giving away this gift basket courtesy of Pepsi Cola Jamaica. All you have to do is answer this very simple question. What is Pepsi's tagline? Email your answers to predisshow@gmail.com. That is predisshow@gmail.com.
All right, so economic times have gotten much harsher lately, and everybody wants to save $1 or $2. So this is our fuel saving tip for the week.
This fuel saving tip is brought to you by Petcom Dunrobin and Petcom in Ocho Rios. One of the simplest fuel saving tips is to ensure that the fuel cap on your car is fully tightened. This reduces possible evaporation of fuel caused by the outside air temperature and the heating of the vehicle itself. Gasoline, especially higher octane fuels, tend to vaporize and evaporate readily if exposed to the atmosphere. When securely in place, a gas cap helps keep the gas tank under pressure and reduces the evaporation process. The fuel saving tip brought to you by Petcom Dunrobin and Petcom in Ocho Rios.
All right, right, guys, it's time for our final commercial break. You're watching Pre-Dis with your host, Danique, and my guest host, Cruddy. Keep it locked.